Welcome to our exploration of the best tools for KDP publishing. Today we're diving into 3 standout software options that can revolutionize how we create and publish content on Kindle Direct Publishing. Join us as we review BookAutoAI, Reedsy Book Editor, and Grammarly, and discover which one truly stands out for our needs. We've all faced the challenge of meeting tight deadlines while battling writer's block. The pressure to produce high-quality content quickly can be overwhelming. But with the right tools, we can transform our writing process and make publishing on KDP more efficient than ever. First up is BookAutoAI. This tool uses advanced AI algorithms to generate high-quality, KDP-ready content. Imagine being able to input your book title, genre, and a brief description, and having the AI handle the rest. It's not just about saving time, it's about overcoming writer's block and streamlining the entire publishing process. Next, we have Reedsy Book Editor. This free online tool is perfect for formatting and editing our manuscripts for KDP. It offers a clean, user-friendly interface that allows us to focus on writing while ensuring our book is professionally formatted for publication. Finally, there's Grammarly. This tool is indispensable for ensuring our content is polished and professional. By providing real-time grammar and style suggestions, Grammarly helps us maintain clarity and correctness in our writing, making it a vital companion for any writer. After exploring these tools, we've chosen BookAutoAI as the best fit for our KDP publishing needs. Here's why. Efficiency. BookAutoAI drastically reduces the time it takes to generate high-quality content, allowing us to focus more on creative aspects. Versatility. It can generate a wide range of content types, from fiction to nonfiction, and even entire outlines, making it incredibly adaptable. User-friendly interface. The intuitive design of BookAutoAI means we can customize outputs to match our unique writing styles without a steep learning curve. Let's see BookAutoAI in action. We input our book title, genre, and description, then select the type of content we want. In just minutes, we have over 100 pages of KDP-ready content tailored to our needs. By leveraging tools like BookAutoAI, we can overcome writer's block, meet our deadlines, and produce content more efficiently. If you're looking to enhance your KDP publishing experience, we highly recommend giving BookAutoAI a try. Share your thoughts and experiences with us in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to never miss an update.